Hello there, I am fine jewelry designer Jill Maurer, and I love taking the mystique and the intimidation out of buying and wearing fine jewelry. I also love design. I love all aspects of design and luxury. Today I have an unboxing for you. This is a LilySilk unboxing. I have purchased these items on my own with my own money. LilySilk has no idea that I am doing this video. This will be an unboxing and an honest reaction to what I open. Let's take a look. I have purchased from LilySilk before, and I did do a review and try on. I'll put that up here. And again, I purchased those items with my own money, and LilySilk did not know that I was buying those. If you would like to see that video, that is also available. What I have now are 4 items. Actually, they usually give you something free, and I can't remember what they gave me, but we'll find out. During Black Friday, they had a special where it was buy one item, get one, I think 40% off. They do frequently run that type of thing. It's usually not that high. Usually you buy one and the second is 30% or 20%, something like that. So they do often have sales on their site. Here's the box. They come in DHL packaging. I'm not showing you the other side because my address is on it. I tried to take my address off and it just started to rip this plastic. So what this is this is a DHL plastic envelope over boxes. Each LilySilk item always comes in its own box, and it feels to me like this stack of boxes is just right here in this envelope. So let's see how that fared. If I remember correctly, the last time I purchased, there was an outer box, but I had purchased a lot more items. So it feels like these did okay. We'll see. So let's see if I can just tear into this. Yes, I can. Here we go. It doesn't look like I did get a free item. I thought I did. Maybe it'll be in here. You can see that I've opened this, and here are the boxes. Here's how that's working out. So let me pull these out. And that is it. There are just these 4 boxes in here. That's how they look. This one is damaged a little bit. It maybe wasn't the best way to ship it. It maybe could have used its own box. Yeah, you can see. You can see here that this box is damaged, which is a pity because these are nice boxes. The item inside, though, I am quite sure will be fine. Each of the boxes is sealed on both sides with tape, so I will be using my knife to open it, and I have no idea what order these are going to be in because the boxes are all the same size. So let's just start with the first one. Here it is. This is a sweater. In this box, I got things that are a little more unusual. In my last order, I got this jacket, for example, made of silk, and everything I got was made of a woven silk. I got a lot of camisoles and blouses. Here I branched out a little bit more, and this is the only piece of cashmere that I got. Here it is. Whoops. It's a little close. All right, it's coming out on camera for some reason as being a little bit gray. In reality, that's weird how it looks gray on camera. In reality, this is more of a taupey color. Well, it has a little bit of gray in it, but not nearly as much. The camera is putting a lot of blue in it, which is making it grayer. It is more taupe than it is showing up. Also in here is a little booklet, and LilySilk, in addition to clothing, as you can see here, they also do bedding, and I do have some LilySilk pillowcases. This sweater is 100% cashmere. I did get the large. I wanted it to be blousey. This may be a little bit big, but it's okay because it'll feel a little bit loose and blousey, which is kind of what I wanted. After I open these, I will do a quick try on for you, so you'll be able to see these on as well. So that is the first item, the Cashmere Sweater. 3 boxes left. Let's see what is in box number 2. Okay, they did put a free item in this box with something. In fact, they gave me 2 things. And this is a t-shirt. So let's look at this first. This is a silk t-shirt. It is a silk woven t-shirt. And again, I would call this is coming across very gray on camera, almost platinum. But this again, it's not as gold as this, but it is closer to sort of an oatmeal kind of color. It does seem like it's a little bit short, but we're about to find out. It's also pretty thin. I did get a large again because I wanted to make sure that it wasn't tight in any way because I was concerned about it maybe being thin. I don't think it's too thin. I don't think this is going to be see-through, but here it is. And we'll take a look at these. These are for washing items. I kind of liked that they... Oh no, it's for drying items. So I guess what you do is you hang this on a shower curtain, on a shower rod, or on something. You hang it up and then you can air dry things. A lot of sweaters and things need to be hung flat. This isn't big enough really to put a sweater on. I would estimate that this is about 18 inches wide. I don't really know. And there are two of them. I'm afraid to pop the other one open. I think it is exactly the same. Maybe I will. We'll see. And also we're going to see if I can get this to go back. And I have no idea how to get that. So it was this size. I'm not going to open this one until I can figure out how to get this down to that. I have no idea. All right, that will be an interesting little experiment for later. 2 boxes left. Let's see what's in this one. I don't think there's anything that will pop out at me. Oh, but there is another little gift. I have no idea. I don't know what this is. Let's see what it says. Okay, this is interesting. The packing list is in this box. Silk Cut Pile Facial Wash Pads. I would call this one pad, and they say they're normally $15, and they gave this to me free. I don't know if you're supposed to be able to get your... I guess I can get my hand in that. It is interesting. I don't know what I think about this. I think a washcloth might have been easier, and if you have a smaller hand, maybe it's easier. This doesn't feel particularly convenient for me, but who knows, maybe I'll love it. I will definitely try it out. And here is another t-shirt, another silk t-shirt in black. I wanted to try it in both colors. It has an odd smell. It is a new smell. It's not bad, it's not great. I can't identify the smell. Maybe it's the dye, because let me see if this one smelled. This one has the smell faintly, but this one is stronger, and it may be because it's a darker one. Maybe it has something to do with the dye. I don't really know, but I will try this on for you as well. We have reached the 4th and final box. Let's take a look. These products are all made in China. China is known for their silk, and they do come from China. DHL is used a lot for international shipments, and I do think they're coming right from China, but they're very quick about sending them, which is nice. So let's take a look at this one. This is the same jacket that I have on now. I really have loved this jacket. I love that, you know, this matches this. They only have it in 2 colors. I wish they had it in more colors. Part of what I like about it is that the trim matches the silk. See that? And I wear it almost like a blouse. I do have camisoles that I sometimes wear underneath it, but I kind of like it just as a blouse. It's kind of casual because it's bomber jacket, but also a little dressy because it's silk. I enjoy it quite a lot and wanted to get it in black. I will say black wouldn't have been my first choice. Black is not the most flattering color on me. There are other colors I would prefer, but I love this piece so much that I wanted to go ahead and get it in black as well. And if it comes in other colors, I would probably get those too. I do really like this piece. This feels a little bigger. I hope this one isn't in medium. This one might be bigger because I think I got everything in a large. Usually when I'm ordering online, I'll size up just because I'm concerned about them being too small. This one does fit me well though, so we'll just see. I will try all of these on for you. I'm going to try them on as is, just as they come out of the box. I will steam this later. You know, normally when you do get the woven silk, you do have to steam it out. It's not terrible. It just looks a whole lot better when it is steamed out. Here's the first item that I unboxed. It is this sweater. It is this cashmere sweater. And I think that this is the right size for me. I could maybe have taken a size down. Most people have one measurement that is their most critical measurement. For me, it is not the shoulders. For some people, it is. If you tend to be broad-shouldered, that's where you want to pick to size your things. For me, it's the chest. I really don't want anything to be tight in the chest area, and then sometimes it's too big here when it fits the chest. But this is a blousey look. I do like it, and it is cuffed. So I can wear it like this. I can wear it pulled down a little bit, which with jeans I wouldn't do because it shows here. But if I were wearing a smooth front pant, I could wear it more like this. And then also, I can do the kind of, you know, the sort of half tuck, quarter tuck kind of look. The cashmere does feel nice. It is not the softest cashmere I've ever experienced, but it is a nice cashmere. And certainly for this price range, it is a very nice cashmere. I definitely like this, and I would definitely look again at what other colors they have. It is a nice sweater, especially for the price, which I don't remember right now, but LilySilk is a decent price point. Here is the second thing I unboxed. This is the first of the two knit t-shirts. I had mentioned that it was a little short, and I do think it is a little short. I am 5 feet 7 inches tall, and I am not long-waisted. I'm very well proportioned, but I'm slightly short-waisted, just slightly. My legs are a little bit longer than my upper body. So I'm not somebody who has a long waist, and I could not take this shirt any shorter than it is now. Of course, I am taking up some of the length because I am chesty, but this is still a very short t-shirt. I have to say that I wish it were just a little bit longer. It's not a deal breaker in any way. I do think it would be a little bit better if it were a little longer. It is a little bit see-through, I think, in this color. I do like the sleeve length, though. I think that is very nice. So this I like, I'm not sure I love, but this is a t-shirt that I will wear being a little bit more dressy than a normal t-shirt. A lot of times I will put this under a jacket. In that case, the length won't matter as much because you'll have the length from the jacket and you won't really be seeing this. So I may find that I really end up loving this shirt. Right now I'm wishing it were just a little bit longer, but we'll see how that ends up in styling. Let's take a look at it in the black. I do like it better in black. It is sort of a thin t-shirt, which is you can do in silk. You can make silk thin and fine. And none of the see-throughness, none of the see-through comes out in the black. It just feels a little richer in the black. In a way, though, it also feels more basic because black is a basic, not that the cream isn't. I really think I'm going to love the cream with white jeans in the summer and maybe under some jackets. So I do like them both. Right now, just with a pair of jeans, I like the black one better, but I might like them both equally. Also, the length isn't bothering me as much here. I think maybe, though, it's because it blends with the jeans better. With white jeans, I might feel better about the other color. I like them both. I won't be returning either one. Here's the silk bomber jacket in black. Of course, it is a little bit wrinkled here. That'll all come out easily. It has the pockets. This is just such an easy piece to wear. It feels so good. LilySilk, the woven silk, feels great against your skin. I will get a lot of use out of this. I do love it. I think the lighter one is a more flattering color on me. I would love to see it come out in navy blue, in their beautiful garnet red. They have so many beautiful colors, and I would love to see this jacket come out in those colors. I do, though, very much want the cuffs to match it. I wouldn't like it nearly as much if it were, say, red silk with a black trim. I like it better when it's all one color. It mixes and matches with other things better, and I think it just looks more elegant. So I do understand why they don't have it in all colors, but I do like it. I will say that the silver, the zipper is more pronounced in the black because there's more of a contrast. I don't mind that. It is kind of a different look. These two do feel a lot different to me in the two different colors. As a reminder, let's take a look at the lighter color again. There's part of me that they feel a little bit different. The lighter colored one feels a little lighter in weight. It feels just slightly less stiff, and it also feels smaller. The black one feels a little bit bigger to me. I don't know if any of that is true. It is just the feeling that I get from it. This is a little more liquidy and smooth. It may just be a question of the dye, the difference in the dye. I am not sure, but I do like them both quite a bit. I do love LilySilk. It has been a great discovery for me. If you haven't seen it yet, be sure to check out my first video. I can't remember how many items I had, but there were quite a number, and I will link that below for you. And if this is the type video you enjoy, or you enjoy talking about jewelry and other aspects of luxury design, please do subscribe. I would love to see you here again. Until then.